In this video, I show you how a YouTuber called Vlad from Words at Scale managed to rank an article without any real content on its page. And I'll give you my take on actually how it happened and how you can use elements of what he did to actually rank your pages and posts as well. Now in his video, Vlad used a paid tool to help him to do this. But I'm going to show you two paid tools that allow you to do this without paying a dime. But first, let me show you the article that he managed to rank on page 1. This is the article here, and as you can see, there isn't really that much readable content on this article. And the reason why Vlad came up with this idea, he tried to mimic and copy Carl Roof that did this quite a few years ago with this article here. In fact, I'll let him explain in his own words.
So it all started with me watching this video here, one of many, which was an interview with Kyle Roof. Kyle Roof is talking about how he actually ranked with lorem ipsum content, just to prove the point, to insert the entities, but the content itself was lorem ipsum, and he was able to rank. So I thought it was crazy, and I thought it would never work today, so I decided to go for it. And I chose a key term that wasn't extremely competitive. And after a few hours, I ranked 10, then 11, but still, I remained on position 10 for a few hours. And the content looked like this. So this is the actual screenshot. I since have revised the article because I don't want to get penalized or anything like that. So this was the original article that I published on the 27th, and the rankings were a few hours later. So this is the actual content. As you can see, this is just a junk content, but in fact, these are the entities. So entities refer to specific people, places, organizations, and products, like Apple Inc., New York City, or iPhone 14. They are all entities. They are mostly nouns. And then LSI keywords are related words and phrases that are conceptually or semantically similar to the target word. And entities help search engines understand the content and provide contextual meaning. LSI keywords help search engines understand conceptual relationships between words. I ended up using this tool here, which many think is the best paid tool for extracting entities. And this is the tool, and this is how the tool looked like. So what I did, I just pasted in the key term like so. I pressed submit, and this is what I got. So first of all, if I were to insert my existing article, I would have gotten a score, a page average versus my score. I don't have that here. And then you get different recommendations. So word recommendations, highly related keywords, keyword variations, related words, specific category words, and you even get the suggested title, topic coverage, facts that you can use in your article, statistics. So this is very valuable. Lots of things to do. Then what I did, I just opened up a new page. I titled it New Writer versus Surfer SEO, and I would just copy paste all of these keywords, all of them. And once again, the page that ranked on the first page of Google ended up looking like this.
Now, I know there's a big debate going on about LSI keywords, but I still use them in my articles. Whether it's right or wrong, I still manage to get my articles ranked. And also the websites that I manage, I also manage to rank them using the LSI keywords with a combination of the entities as well. But what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you two tools, and I think Vlad already mentioned this. One of them is called Perplexity. I'm going to show you how to use that to get the entities, and then I'm going to show you how to use another tool to get the LSI keywords, which you can actually incorporate within your articles. Now, Vlad used a paid tool in order to find the entities for his article. Now, I'm going to use a free tool called perplexity.ai. You may or you may not have used this before. I'm going to be honest with you, it's not going to find as many entities, but it's going to give you a nice basic list of keywords that you can actually include within your article to give Google an idea of what your article is actually about. So the very first thing I did is I just basically asked Perplexity, what are entities in SEO? And I'm going to be honest, when you do this for yourself, if you're going to try it, you may get slightly different results, but you will get a list of basic entities for the article. So I did that, and I basically just asked it what are entities in SEO. It gave me an answer, and then I just basically gave it another prompt, which is give me an example of some entities based on an article about boiling an egg. Really, really simple. And this is what it gave me. So as you can see, these are the entities. It's come up with physical objects, actions, ingredients, time-related concepts. And what you would do is you would include these entities within your article just to give Google a decent idea of what you're actually writing about. Now, granted, this way of doing it isn't actually as comprehensive as the tool that Vlad showed you, but it will help you rank your articles. But these entities are what the tool is telling us should be actually inserted within the articles to give Google a better idea of what the article is about. So for just use another example, give me an example of some entities based on an article about the best way to mow a lawn. Click on enter and let's see what it gives me. And as you can see, it gives me even more entities there on how to mow a lawn. So what I would do then is I would add all these keywords within my article just to give Google an idea of what my article is about. And like I said, this is not going to be as many as the paid tool, but it's a good start. If you haven't got the money for the paid tool, it's a good start to use a free tool and actually insert these within your article. So the next tool we're going to look at is a free extension called Harper.ai. This is a free tool again, but it's a Google Chrome extension. You need to actually install that, and then you can actually start grabbing some LSI keywords. And once you've actually installed the extension, we're going to type in a keyword into Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and find 1, 2, or 3 of the top articles, and we're going to grab the LSI keywords from there. And it's really easy. We just open those up into another tab, go to the article, and the way you use Harper AI, just click on accept here. The way you use Harper AI is you literally just click on Alt A, and what it does, it brings up the extension. And then once you've got the extension up, you do a / extract, and then there's a load of options. I'm not going to go through all the options. I'm going to just go to the one that allows you to get the LSI keywords. You click on this one that says extract, research, and SEO keywords, or extract and research SEO keywords. Click on there, click enter. And what it does, it starts extracting all the LSI keywords from this article. So those are all the LSI keywords from the article. You just click this button here, which is basically copy to clipboard. And then all you do is just paste those into a notepad. And then we do exactly the same with the other website that we've got here, which is Good Food. Again, Alt A brings up the extension, then / ext, which brings up the extract and research SEO keywords. And we're going to do exactly the same. There you go, got a nice little list there. Click on copy and then go back to our online notepad, get rid of that. And then what we're going to do is just going to paste that in there. We're going to remove this. Now you're going to have some duplicates here, and in order to actually remove those duplicates, you can use ChatGPT or Bard to remove those duplicates. You can either try and do that yourself, or if you want to see how I do it, I'll leave a link in the description and I'll show you how to do that. That's if you're interested in that anyway. So once you've actually got your LSI keywords, you've got your entities, once you've written your article, you then need to incorporate those within your article. And I've done a video, I'll leave a link up somewhere, or I'll leave a link in the description of the video showing you how I actually do that. Now, if you want to use these as free tools to help you rank your articles, of course, this won't cost you a thing. Of course, the one that Vlad was using was a paid tool. These are 2 free tools. So let me know how you get on. Try these, incorporate them within your article, and just let me know how you get on. Now, there's a lot of people that think that using entities and LSI keywords is a total waste of time. And they're probably the same people that keep spouting, these SEO myths. And that's probably a really good reason to watch this next video that dispels all those myths that people are saying about SEO. So if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.